How to relieve back pain with this breathing exercise. Back pain is one of the most common ailments affecting people today. It can be a persistent and frustrating issue. While many turn to medication, physical therapy, or even surgery for relief, there's a surprisingly simple and natural solution that's often overlooked: breathing exercises. One breathing technique in particular stands out for its effectiveness in reducing back pain: diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. This method focuses on engaging your diaphragm fully, helping to relax the body, reduce tension, and provide much-needed support to your spine. How does breathing affect back pain? Most people breathe shallowly, using only the upper chest. This kind of breathing not only limits oxygen intake but also increases tension in the neck, shoulders, and lower back. Including the diaphragm and the transverse abdominis, which work together to stabilize the spine and support your posture. When these muscles are activated properly, they take the load off the lower back, reducing strain and discomfort. The breathing exercise. Here's a simple breathing exercise you can do anywhere: sitting, standing, or lying down. To help relieve back pain, find a comfortable position. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Or sit upright in a chair with your feet planted and your spine straight. Place your hands. Put one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. This helps you feel the movement of your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Your lower hand should rise, while your upper hand stays relatively still. Exhale gently through your mouth. This technique does more than just relax you. It activates your core, calms your nervous system, and reduces inflammation. Diaphragmatic breathing encourages better oxygen flow, lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and improves posture. All of these factors work together to ease pressure on your spine and relieve back pain. In addition, regular practice of belly breathing helps retrain your body to use the diaphragm efficiently. When to use it? This breathing exercise can be done any time of day: in the morning to gently wake up your body, during work breaks to reset your posture, or at night to relax before bed. It's especially helpful before or after physical activity, when your muscles are either preparing to move or recovering. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.